Homemade pizza, take 3 now. I pulled this out. It's been 16 minutes. It is perfect. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Perfect. Now, this is the test. Has it stuck yet? Oh no, I could lift that whole thing off. Didn't stick anywhere. Perfect. Now, I don't know about you. I personally use store-bought spaghetti sauce. So, that's what we're going to start with first. And when you make a pizza, you don't need a lot of it. The reason I like the store-bought spaghetti sauce is because it's already got your sugar into it. So it won't be too acidy. You won't normally get acid reflux or heartburn from it. A lot of people don't realize why you put sugar in anything with spaghetti or tomatoes. But that's the reasoning behind it, is it cuts down on the acid and it doesn't mess with people's stomach. Now I'm just using our scoop spreader again to put our sauce over it. I don't know about you, but I personally like an extra seasoning on mine. So I'm using our Italian seasoning mix. I'm going to just sprinkle that all over it. Oh, meanwhile, too, when we paused, our bacon was done. So I'm going to be showing you that in a minute. Let's start with the bacon. I brought it out of the microwave. It's perfectly crisp. And it's pretty well done. All I do is put it in my chopper. I don't put the lid on it. I chop it directly on my cutting board. And depending on how much you want it chopped and how fine you want it chopped, depends on how many times you hit the top of it. Don't be gentle with this. You're hitting it. You want this to chop. Don't go like this. It's not going to do you any good. You can see the blades are moving around in it. Chops up really nice if you get a big chunk. Because you're kind of like me and you put all my bacon in at one time. Just move it and chop it again. Homemade bacon bits are so much better than store-bought bacon bits. Yeah, see, it takes no time to make your own homemade bacon bits. I use this chopper a lot when I need onions, green peppers. A lot of times I'll use it for my black olives if I want chopped instead of sliced. Perfect, easy. Flip it over because of the way I did my bacon. And now it's ready to assemble my pizza. So put all your toppings on it. You're going to put it back in the oven for about 6 minutes and your pizza's done. You put the toppings that your family likes. I'm doing bacon and ham and pineapple and mushrooms, onions, green peppers. We're not picky. We like almost everything on our pizzas. Just sprinkle it out. Go ahead. In the cheese grater, I did use fresh mozzarella, but what I did with that when I was waiting for the pizza crust to get done is I had it in the freezer, so it got hard before I grated the rest of it. I'll post a picture of the pizza, and if you got any questions, let me know. If you want to know anything about the utensils we used today, tell me what your favorite product is out of everything we did. Let me know which one you'd use the most and what you'd use it for. Thank you. Have a great day.